จะปมาตัสสานาเวรมณีสิกขาปะตังติสรณเนนะสหปัญจศีลานิยานา
It's Sunny Burns here with Amazing Thailand. I've just arrived in Koh Samui, Thailand's second largest island, known for its stunning scenery, luxurious resorts, and not to forget a majestic culture seen throughout the kingdom. Over the next few days, I'll be staying at one of the world's most renowned health and wellness resorts, Kamalaya. I'll be also chit-chatting with both locals and expats living on the island, as well as discovering new adventures along the way. Let's check in and see what Koh Samui has to offer. Before starting my wellness retreat at Kamalaya, I wanted to pop out and see one of Thailand's most celebrated animals, the Asian elephant. Throughout centuries, elephants have played a vital role in Thai society and even seen as a symbol of fortune. Today, the now endangered elephant is a national emblem with his image appearing on Thai stamps, coins, artwork, and architecture.
My name is Sal. Right now we are at Samui Elephant Haven, the sanctuary in Koh Samui, Thailand.
Samui Elephant Haven is one of Thailand's leading elephant charities. They've rescued over 14 elephants who've previously lived a life of horror and torment. Their goal is simple: to provide a happy and loving home where visitors can come and experience these remarkable creatures in their natural environment and at peace. After saying goodbye to the elephants, it was time to begin my health and wellness journey. Centered around a monk's cave, Kamalaya is your sanctuary to slow down, let go, and disconnect from the world. Throughout the Kamalaya experience, guests are able to take part in an array of daily activities, from Buddhist meditations, morning yoga sessions, personal training, spa treatments, or just lounging by the pool, enjoying the natural beauty of the property.
I think Koh Samui is a place that mixes between wellness, nature, and luxury together. That's why people love to stay on this island.
The resort attracts people from all walks of life. Kamalaya offers healing therapies from east and west, helping you to detox and reset. With daily healthy cuisine and tailor-made wellness programs, this is your opportunity to look inside and relax. On the last day of the island, I wanted to do something extra special. So I caught up with fellow Australian Rhys Dixon, the owner of Oceana Samui Charters.
My name's Rhys. I'm originally from Perth, Western Australia. I'm the owner of Oceana Samui Charters, which is currently the largest operator of private speedboats and luxury yachts on the island. I would say the thing that drew me to Samui is my first holiday here. I came over as a tourist in 2006. I left my job as a bricklayer. I was here for 1 month and I came back and sold all my tools. Within about 3 months I was back in Samui, and that's where I started my journey.
Koh Samui is an island with its own unique beauty. If you're wanting to discover a new culture, learn something different about yourself, or just chill out and unwind, then this destination should be on the top of your list. As the world is changing, it seems that society is looking more from within. Wellness is a spirited process of change and growth. In life, there will always be hurdles to leap and challenges to be faced. Koh Samui has taught me about the importance of self-reflection and taking time out from our busy schedules. For now, I leave this incredible island. It's truly a place for everyone. If you love the finer things in life or wanting to kickstart your self-discovery journey, then I highly recommend Koh Samui.